While we at Kalicki Collier love what we do, we recognize that a number of aspects of the law are less than appealing. Combine that with the loss of a family member or a loved one, and we're nearly certain the last place a grieving person wishes to visit is the courthouse. While it may seem as though maintaining a respectable probate court is like maintaining any other tribunal, there are a number of key elements that you should consider in order to ensure that you are providing your clients with the best, most intersectional, considerate service possible. The formal legal technique of acknowledging a person's will, or last will and testament, paying debts, and transferring assets to beneficiaries is known as probate. Nevada statutes give an order of preference for relatives who are then regarded beneficiaries if the deceased does not have a will. When wills are challenged, the probate court is responsible for determining the document's legitimacy as well as the mental soundness of the individual who signed it. The probate court also determines who inherits which percentage of the descendant's assets based on the will's instructions or, if none, other laws in effect. It is important to recognize that your clientele is grieving and is also dealing with a complex, lengthy process that likely overwhelms them. While we, the lawyers, are the experts, our clients are not, and it is important that we remain patient with them as they navigate an already challenging time. Combined with fees, paperwork, appointments, and financial management, the probate process is one that can take a debilitating toll on your clients. It is important that your expertise comes equally paired with patience and compassion. Furthermore, your professionalism will establish a sense of rapport with your client and make them more inclined to lay their complete trust in you, which is what we seek as litigators. Seemingly simple tasks, like maintaining a certain level of organization and punctuality, will contribute to an overall sense of ease within your client. Grief over a loved one's death can be difficult for those left behind, including family and friends. Unfortunately, the probate procedure is a necessary one, but it is important to recognize how it can add to the financial and administrative stress of a given executor. By acknowledging the executor's experience and allowing them to grieve throughout the probate process, you add a level of humanity to your practice that is often lacking. Finally, it is paramount that probate litigators move beyond the legal realm and take the necessary time to consider the sociological factors that undoubtedly change the experience of each client. For example, an elderly lady who's just lost her husband of 50 years will most certainly have a different experience than a 30-year-old first-time mom whose military husband recently passed away. Our trusted attorneys have the experience, knowledge, and empathy that it takes to handle matters of probate in a way that is as efficient and effective as possible, while ensuring that stress levels are not exacerbated. For probate legal services with peace of mind, contact Kalicki Collier.